Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Irish Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So today's video was for a healthy tandoori chicken burger. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So let's get straight into this. We're going to make a marinade for the chicken. So we use some natural yogurt into a large bowl. And then to that we're going to add some paprika, some garlic granules, some ground cumin, a little bit of sweetener, some ground turmeric, some ground fenugreek, and a squeeze of lime juice. Give that a good mix round to make sure all the flavours are incorporated. And then to that, we're going to add our chicken breasts. Again, give these a mix round. Make sure that all the chicken's covered with the marinade. We'll cover that with a lid. We'll pop it to the side for a minimum of 1 hour. The longer you leave it, the better the flavour will be. Now over to our frying pan, and we're going to work on our onion bhajis. So give it a little spray with low calorie cooking oil and add our mixed onions. I've used red onions and brown onions, but you can just use whatever onions you have. Give that a stir around, let it cook for 5 or 6 minutes until the onions are translucent and starting to go charred. Now remove it from the heat, and to that then we're going to add some chickpea flour, some tomato puree, some ground cumin, some ground coriander. Give that a good stir around and just make sure everything's covered in the flour mixture. Now that that's covered in, we're going to put them onto a baking tray. So take a grease-proof plain baking tray, and we'll take our onion bhaji mixture and just set it on. Once you get them on, give them a little spray with oil, and then we're going to pop them in the oven. So these go into a preheated oven, 200 degrees fan, 220 normal, for about 20 minutes. Now while they're cooking, we're going to make our mint yoghurt. So just a couple of spoonfuls of yoghurt, and a couple of spoonfuls of mint. Just give that a mix round. You can taste it just to see if it's minty enough for you. If not, you can add more mint, and if it's too minty, just add more yoghurt. Pop that to the side, and then we're going to take our chicken breasts. Just uncover them, give them a stir around just to make sure that there's more marinade on them. Now we're going to remove the tray that we cooked the onion bhajis in, and we're going to spray one side of it with some cooking oil. Now you can do these under the grill, but I'm a great believer in don't be making any more dishes for yourself. Let's just pop the chicken breast on top. Spin a little more marinade onto them, and then we're going to put them back into the oven. So these go into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, just depending on the thickness of your chicken breast, just to make sure that they're fully cooked. So after 30 minutes I've taken mine out, and I'm just going to check them with the meat thermometer. As long as they're above 75 degrees centigrade and white through the middle, then they're fully cooked. As you can see, the onion bhajis are also charred around the edges. So these chicken breasts are fully cooked. It's time to serve. So we take our toasted burger buns, and to that we put on some mango chutney. Then some of our mint yogurt. Couple of slices of cucumber. Obviously we want to make it healthy with some vegetables. Our cooked chicken breast, covered in the tandoori mixture. The charred onion bhaji. Some more of the mango chutney. And then some more of the mint yogurt. Top with your burger bun. Now folks, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It does help the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my further videos.